Here's the kids playing together. It's exciting, huh? Look at you, Emma, sitting up all by yourself. So much happening.
It's so funny.
Exciting, huh?
It's so funny to be here.
What do you say, Riley? What do you say to that? You got nothing to say. Yeah, just throw your book around. Throw your book at it. Yeah. Huh? Doing all the talking. You're doing all the talking. Oh. Action here. Action Jackson.
They really have complex. Yeah? Riley starts talking too?
She's really sitting up all by herself, huh?